Hello everyone, welcome to this educational session where we'll discuss how to pass a machine learning interview. If you're preparing for roles like machine learning engineer, data scientist, or AI researcher, this video will give you a complete roadmap. From understanding what to study to how to present your answers confidently. Let's get started. Before you start preparing, you must understand what companies actually look for in a machine learning candidate. They generally assess you in 5 core areas. 1. Mathematical foundations, linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. 2. Machine learning algorithms, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. 3. Programming and implementation, proficiency in Python, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. 4. Data handling skills, data preprocessing, feature engineering, and handling missing or imbalanced data. 5. Problem solving and communication, explaining your approach, model decisions and trade-offs clearly. So, start your preparation by mapping your skills to these areas. Interviewers love to test your understanding of fundamentals, not just your ability to use libraries. Focus on questions like, what's the difference between bias and variance? How does gradient descent work? What are regularization techniques, and why are they important? What are precision, recall, and F1 score? How do you handle overfitting and underfitting? You don't need to memorize formulas. Instead, understand the intuition behind each concept. Companies expect you to code machine learning solutions from scratch during interviews. To prepare, practice Python coding on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Kaggle. Try implementing algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and k-means without using pre-built libraries. Learn to write clean modular code with comments and explain your logic as you code. Remember, it's not just about the output, it's about how structured and logical your approach is. Having a few hands-on projects makes a huge difference. Work on projects that involve end-to-end data pipelines, model training and tuning, model deployment using Flask, FastAPI, or Streamlit. Be ready to explain what problem your project solved, what data you used, what models you tried, and why, how you evaluated performance. This demonstrates that you're not just a learner, you're a problem solver. For senior or ML engineer positions, you might face machine learning system design questions. These test your ability to design scalable ML solutions. Be ready to discuss data pipelines, batch versus streaming, model serving and monitoring, concept drift, and retraining strategies. Infrastructure tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and MLOps platforms show that you understand how ML fits into real-world systems. Even if your technical skills are strong, interviews can still go wrong if you can't communicate your thought process clearly. When answering, always follow this format. 1. Restate the problem in your own words. 2. Explain your approach step by step. 3. Justify your decisions, e.g., why you chose a particular algorithm or metric. 4. Acknowledge trade-offs. Clear explanation shows clarity of thought, which interviewers value highly. Don't ignore the behavioral or HR part. Common questions include, tell me about a project you're most proud of. Describe a time when your model didn't perform well. How did you handle it? How do you stay updated with the latest ML trends? Use the STAR framework, situation, task, action, result, to give structured and confident answers. Revise key ML formulas and terminologies. Prepare short, crisp explanations for common algorithms. Sleep well before the interview day. Be confident, even if you don't know an answer. It's okay to admit it and share how you'd find the solution. Machine learning interviews aren't just tests of technical knowledge, they test how you think, analyze, and communicate. Focus on understanding the concepts, building strong projects, and expressing your ideas clearly. Remember, consistent practice, curiosity, and confidence will help you stand out. Thank you for watching this educational video on how to pass a machine learning interview. Keep learning, keep innovating, and good luck with your interviews.